Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating and using a SOCKS5 server with the Netmod VPN app on your Android device. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our helpful tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to download the latest version of the Netmod VPN app, which supports SOCKS5 servers. Open the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Netmod VPN and hit enter. After a few moments, you'll see a list of apps related to Netmod VPN. Find the Netmod VPN app in the list and tap on it. Once selected, click the Install button. The installation may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it to finish. Once the app is installed, go ahead and tap Open to launch the Netmod VPN client. You should now be on the home screen of the app. At the home page, tap the small plus button icon in the upper right corner to expand the menu. Netmod VPN supports various protocols like V2Ray, ShadowSOCKS, and WireGuard, but today we're focusing on SOCKS5. So let's move forward. Next, tap on the SOCKS option. This will take you to a screen where we'll enter the SOCKS5 server details. But first, let's create our SOCKS5 server. Exit the app for now and open any web browser on your Android device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and tap on it. Once you're on the site, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. A list of options will appear. Scroll down and select SOCKS5 server. This will take you to a new page with a list of SOCKS5 server options. Now, choose any server IP address and port number that you prefer from the list. Return to the Netmod VPN app. Here, you'll enter the SOCKS5 server details you just found, the IP address and port number. Be sure to give this configuration a unique name for easy access later. Once all the details are entered, tap the checkmark button to save your settings. After saving your configuration, tap on it to select it as your active server. Then, simply tap the Play button to start your VPN connection. And that's it! We've successfully connected to a SOCKS5 server on the Netmod VPN app for a fast and secure web connection. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching.